Interpenetration of two prisms. Prisms have a plane surfaces as their faces. The line of intersection between the two plane surfaces is obtained by locating the positions of points at which the edges of one surface intersect the other surface and then joining the points by straight line. These points are called as vertices. The line of intersection between the two prisms is therefore a closed figure composed of a number of such lines meeting at the vertices. It is determined by locating the points at which the edges of one prism intersect edges of the faces of the other prism and then joining them in a correct position. Let us see the problem number 2 for the interpenetration of the surfaces. Square prism base 50 mm side is completely penetrated by a horizontal square prism base 35 mm side so that their axes are 6 mm apart. The axis of the horizontal prism is parallel to the vertical plane while the faces of both the prisms are equally inclined to the vertical plane. Draw the projections of the prism showing the lines of intersections. Assume the suitable length for the prism. In previous problem, we have seen that the interpenetration of the two prisms, one is vertical, another is horizontal, wherein the axes were intersect to each other. Now in this particular problem, the axes are 6 mm apart, that is offset. Now let us see that how to construct the interpenetration of these surfaces or these two solids in a proper way. Let's solve this problem by step. First, draw the xy and x dash y dash. These are representing the horizontal and vertical plane in the front view. Here we have to draw the correct positions of the both prisms. The faces of the vertical prisms are seen, the lines in the top view. So as shown in the particular diagram, this is a front view, here it is the top view, here it is the left hand side view. These are drawn at a very proper distance from x, y and x dash y dash line. The top view represents the exact square prism of side 50 mm, where in the front view and the side view represents the height of that prism. Next step, give the names to the all vertices of the prism, vertical prism, that is A, B, C, D. In front view, it is represented as A dash, B dash, D dash and C dash. In sequence, we need to give the names to each of these vertices. Next, we draw the position of the horizontal prism where this center of this horizontal prism is 6 mm away from the axis of the vertical prism. The size of this horizontal prism is 35 mm. The four vertices are named as A double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash or 4 double dash in a side view. Next, project all the corners to get the front view and the top view of this horizontal 1, 2, 3 and 4 and in front view 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. These are the names given to all vertices of this front view and the top view. The top view represents that the horizontal prism is 6 mm away from the center of the vertical prism. Next, we need to convert this top view in a correct way because the horizontal prism is penetrating to the vertical prism, so the hidden lines are represented here. Next, the mark point E and F and G and H in the side view to get the penetration of this horizontal prism to the A dash and A dash and C dash, C double dash and C double dash vertical line as shown in the side view. These 2 points are projected in the front view as E dash, F dash, G dash and G dash, H dash. where these points are representing the intersecting point with the vertical line of the vertical prism. Next, we need to project the intersection points from the top view in front view, where we need to locate these all points in a correct way. So the names are given to those points as P1 dash, P1, P2, P3, P4, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. These are projected in the front view as the P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash. Similarly, it is the Q1 dash, Q2 dash, Q3 dash and Q4 dash. So these 2 points need to locate correctly to get um, the points of the points of intersections, and to get the correct intersection of the horizontal surface, horizontal prism with the vertical prism, which is at the 6 millimeter apart, whose axes are away from each other. Okay, to project these 2 points to E dash and F dash on the line A dash and A dash in the front view, join the points of intersection in a correct sequence, right? And then the join P1 dash with P2 dash, P2 dash with P3 dash. Similarly, Q1 dash with Q2 dash, Q2 dash with Q3 dash with the dark lines. Then connect with the P1 dash with E dash, E dash with P4 dash, P4 dash with F dash with the dotted lines. Q1 dash to G dash, G dash to Q4 dash, Q4 dash to H dash, H dash to Q3 dash with the dotted line. Similarly, P1 dash to P1 Q1 dash, connect it with the dotted line. P3 dash with the Q3 dash with the dotted lines, because these are the hidden edges in the front view. So we need to take care to determine the visible and hidden lines in the front view in a proper way to get the final answer. So this is the final answer of